According to scientific research, nighttime is when the body enters its most intense repair and detox phase. The nervous system shifts into parasympathetic mode, cellular regeneration accelerates, and inflammation signals are reorganized. But did you know you can amplify this process with an ancient miracle, the benefits of castor oil? This is not a myth. The benefits of castor oil are directly based on molecular biochemistry. What does your body do throughout the night when you apply castor oil before sleep? Relieves bloating. When applied to your abdomen, the benefits of castor oil come from its ricinoleic acid binding to EP3 receptors in your intestines, triggering natural contractions. This is not just water loss, but a mechanical cleansing supported by the benefits of castor oil. Removing waste from the intestinal wall is among the benefits of castor oil. Lymphatic cleansing. Increasing lymphocyte production by more than 60% with abdominal packs is one of the most remarkable benefits of castor oil. This process is like manually pumping the body's sewage system thanks to the benefits of castor oil. Strengthening the immune system from the ground up becomes possible with the benefits of castor oil. Deep sleep. Reducing inflammation and lowering cortisol are included in the benefits of castor oil. As a result, melatonin synthesis increases, and the benefits of castor oil promote deep sleep. Transitioning into the parasympathetic nervous system becomes easier thanks to the benefits of castor oil. Natural Botox and joint health. Penetrating deep tissues and stimulating collagen production is one of the most well-known benefits of castor oil. This natural anti-inflammatory effect, which blocks pain signals in the joints, is an important part of the benefits of castor oil list. Renewing skin tissue from the inside out also occurs through the benefits of castor oil. However, be careful. To avoid harm, instead of experiencing the benefits of castor oil, you must choose the right product. Products containing hexane can eliminate the benefits of castor oil and may transdermally poison your body. Avoiding products in plastic bottles is vital for the benefits of castor oil because the oil can absorb BPA from plastic. For the true benefits of castor oil, Hexane-Free, cold-pressed, and glass bottle are essential. Instead of adding more chemicals into your body, help it eliminate waste through the benefits of castor oil. Try a castor oil pack tonight and allow your body's night shift to do its job with the benefits of castor oil. Don't forget to subscribe for more biochemical information about the benefits of castor oil on your health journey.